Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make a thumbprint cookie. These cookies are so easy to make. I just want to jump right in and show you how to make them. So you're going to start by creaming some softened butter. Ooh, got a little bit on there. There we go. With our sugar. And I'm using a stand mixer today. You can use a stand mixer, a hand mixer. You can even do it by hand. I just find it's really easy using a stand mixer. Okay, so I'm going to scrape down the sides. And I'm going to add my egg. And I like cracking an egg into a separate container so that I can make sure that I don't get any shells in it. And look at that, it's perfect. And I'm going to mix that up with the vanilla. Okay, so I'm going to scrape down the sides one more time. And this is to get everything from the very bottom all mixed in, just to make sure that we've got everything all nicely mixed and combined. Now I'm going to add my flour, and today I'm using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour. I won't use anything else. It's so amazing. It works cup for cup with pretty much any recipe out there. There's a link in the description below where you can buy it. Then there's baking powder and some salt. And we're going to mix that up. That's it. It's mixed. It's ready to go. And you can see, like it's just a dough. It's super easy, super quick. And these last, well, in a cookie jar for at least 2 weeks, maybe 3. I wouldn't bother refrigerating them, and they're just so good. So I'm going to finish scraping the paddle. Oh, a little bit more there. There we go. And we're going to scrape that. So I'm going to leave the dough in the bowl because I'm going to start shaping cookies onto a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. So I'm going to take tablespoons and I'm going to just drop them by the tablespoon, not making them too large. We're going to reshape them once they've been scooped, but I find it's really quick when you use a tablespoon. And I'm just going to do one row, and then I'm going to show you what you do with the next step. Okay, so I've got that, and then I'm just going to lightly roll them with my fingers, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the whole batch, and we'll see what the next step is. See you in a moment. There we go. Look at that. It went really quick. It was nice. Now the next step is you wet your finger. You can also dip your finger in flour, and you make thumbprints in the cookies. Hence the name, thumbprint cookie. Okay, and now you take your favorite jam. I'm using a strawberry jam. And I'm going to fill each thumbprint opening with some strawberry jam. There we go. Look at that. So this is going to go into a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. See you in a moment. I love the smell of fresh baked cookies. It's so good. So these cookies took about 11.5 minutes in my oven. Your oven might be a bit longer, might be a bit shorter. It just depends on really the size of the cookies. You can see there's quite a variation in size here. But so the smaller the cookie, the less time it's going to take to cook. The larger the cookie, the longer. And these, oh, they smell so good. If you look at the bottom, there's a nice golden brown on that. It's really nice. They're quite soft, but they're still a little bit warm. They're gonna firm up as they cool, and I can't wait to dig into this. It's like a little bit of shortbread, which is unbelievable. It melts in your mouth, and it's got a hint of that strawberry on the top. These are really good. I wonder what your favorite filling would be in these thumbprint cookies. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.